Hello guys, and welcome back to another video here on this channel Astockrypto. This tutorial should be fun and a quick one. I'll be showing you how to create a simple monthly sales projection table plus a chart that depicts the data. It will be a really fun one. And by the way guys, I look forward to making more videos like this. Now you can comment below and let me know what you want to learn about. I'll make sure to deliver on that. Over time we will be more specific with the type of videos we make, but right now we'll just do whatever. And I hope you absorb a lot of good information that you can use when it comes to trading, whether stocks or crypto. Everything else that you need to know will be mentioned down below in the description, so keep that in mind. But let's get this tutorial started. As you can see here, this is what we will have. This monthly sales projection will consist of two columns. There is the month and there is the projected sales. Okay, so first thing is first, you want to type in this cell month. Okay, make sure you capitalize, make everything looks professional, because it's a good habit. And here we will type the projected sales, projected okay, projected sales. Perfect. Now this is out of the cell, but I'll show you how to fix that later on. For now, we'll type here in cell A2 Jan, which stands for January. So Jan, and to save some time, we're going to use the fill handle. As you can see here, right here, you want to click here and drag to about here. Okay, let's try that one more time. Okay, and voila, you have it like that. You can save a lot of time. Now in the projected sales, we gonna type 50. Let's say on January you make 50k. Okay, so 50,000. Okay, 50. Now let's say we have a 3.5 increase. So what we're gonna do here is we're gonna type equal B2, and I hope so far you're with me. You have your Excel sheet open and you're following along. This way you will be learning more better, and you're gonna be more precise. All right, B2 multiplied by 103.5. okay, and we're gonna hit enter, and we're gonna have this amount, 51,750. okay, just make a little correction here. Okay, so make sure you type the percentage sign, which should and here it should be 51,750, which represent a 3.5% increase. Okay, so make sure you type the formula right, because it's case sensitive. And what you're gonna do here, you're gonna go to the fill handle and drag till about here. Okay, and here you have it. Now we're gonna make this look better. Right now is perfect, but we want to make it look more appealing. So what we're gonna do is, first we're gonna fix this right here. You kind of see the projected sales is out of the cell. So right here, and you want to double click with the left side of the mouse to fill it. Here we're gonna click and then go all the way down, shift, and we're gonna put it on the left side, or actually we'll just leave it like that for now, but we will decrease the decimal places. Or actually, let's make this as a money sign to represent money, so we know what we're looking at. And then we're gonna decrease the decimal places. Okay, so click twice. Now it looks much better, more professional. And right now we're gonna add the total. So for all of these, we're gonna type here total, TOTAL, and hit enter. And to get the total for the B column, we're gonna type equal sum and open bracket, and we're gonna click on B2, go all the way down, click on B13, and that way we specify to Excel the total of what we want. Okay, close the bracket, hit enter, and you're gonna have 730,098. Okay, perfect. Now we're gonna add the chart over here. So to add the chart, all you have to do is now select this. So from cell A1 to cell B13, you're gonna select, okay, shift, then left click and select here. Make sure you don't select the last part. You only need this part right here, and you can insert the chart. Okay, and of course you can add here color, you know, to look the table more appealing. Now you want to specify that yes, my table has headers. You click OK, and voila. Okay, looks more appealing. Now you can choose from these many styles here you have, but right now we'll just stick with this looks all right. Okay, and let's make sure we do the same thing for here. Here, okay, let's do that one more time actually. So we're going to select everything, and we missed that last part. Okay, my table has headers now, and you click OK, or actually you should click yes. Sorry on this last part, guys, because I'm actually still learning too. Okay, the error will be removed. Record to street text. Do you want to continue? Yes. Okay, that's not what I want. Okay, I want to just, okay, let's try this one more time. Okay, we're gonna select everything, and then now click table. My table has headers, and now it looks good. Okay, just like here. Now the final part, we're gonna add the visualization. Okay, so we're gonna go on insert, and then recommended charts, and you want to go to the second one, which is the column charts. Okay, and you click on it, you click OK, and here you have it. All right, and that's how you build a sales projection table with a chart This was a simple, a very quick one. I hope you guys like this tutorial. If you want more tutorials like this, please click like, subscribe for more, and I promise you I will get you more videos that can be of some value to you. Now, see you on the next one. Have a great one. Take care.